Every year on March 8, International Women's Day is celebrated across the globe, and this year the theme is Balance for Better. The International Women's Day calls for equality of women in society where women are often not given the right where she actually deserves. Since the inception of the International Women's Day, the scenario has changed quite rapidly to address many issues. Women's Day also dates back to the first political activism to protect the rights of women. When it comes to equality in Manipur, it is quite contrary. Let's take some views from different walks of life.
Financially, they are involved. Economically, they are empowered. But I am really surprised why they are not so much active in politics. So I hope that in future, all the political parties and workers should involve women. They are very articulate, they are very empowered, and if they can do business, they can do political business also.
Hiram khuding mutta mangjin tharaba akoigi konai sigi isal mayam se politically yang pakanda di yamna sothana laiba moina tawjari ba thabak se the encourage to what ba aduga recognition pibase what pana thokpa rana khalle matam khargi matungda di sumba ranti sakti se sungsoi soidana adi sinaraga leipak ngakpada leipaki adi ngaklonda soba daitama sungsoi soidana lor khigani haibagi thajabadudi.
Since the colonial days, Manipuri women have had vocal political assertion in public domain, which are popularly known as the Nupilal 1904 and 1939. Manipuri women are also the major economic contributors in the state. However, their political participation as decision makers in formal domains is marginal or almost nil.
Crime against women ki victim moiriba aduga sibai na hat kiba mayam singji victim moiraba family mayam singsina sung chau chau khatana collapse oiraga kai power development da contribute tawba ngamdraga karamba makhal gi balance no ba khoina porakadisi yam thina sothari to balance society ma porak pa haibase it's a long way to go lambi ni chattoise.
Health professionals like Dr. Ajit Lukram has shown concerns that women in our state, being relatively a closed society, unlike the Western countries, have fear, social stigma and anxiety about what they consider private space. And this leads to rising cases of breast cancer deaths as they are not reported timely.
International Women's Day na Malayam Simatuna celebrate Tonerico. Sigi Nimitsia ina breast cancer specialist Amoina, Zagi breast cancer Naraga, Sigi Misi India, Adi Manipur, Say Mari Mangan Monsida, Yam Wankal, breast cancer Simagi, early stage diagnosis of Tadipina, Matiksa, Queen Piraganda, Roina, Kyoto Wangameva. Aduna Mapalanga Quiga, Kennedy Mapalan cancer, Yam early stage, Komo screening over Masana Masaki, cell breast examination over Dr. Gimana Chatpa, the Gidi, say Nifu the Gizay, Hundramanga will live in the Pignamsi, say a home putting the extreme mammogram with a Kaputana, and I diagnose of Novonevoka. A quick Sidana, Quick Chatopada, Kudongsadaba, the Ikaiba, the social stigma, Lebanina, Mayamsi, cancer, Kaipono, into Pochi, King Manina, a quick Lakumatum, the Kasiam, King and I, a queen of Idiki Papa Children Peter, who late stage advances of cancer to the Kyoto Wangam.
The story of women's struggle for equality belongs to no single families, nor to any one organization, but to the collective efforts of all for those who care about human rights. Let's celebrate the incredible strength of women to strengthen the foundation of society. With cameraman Ozit, this is Shanti Salam for Times of Manipur.